Hi! In this summer from 16th till 27th June in Kazan will be held several games of FIFA World Cup 2018. Kazan is a plurinational city with two state languages, Russian and Tatar. So, if you want to get better communicate with local people, you should know a few simple phrases. The first sentence which you will see or hear in Russian may be «Добро пожаловать». Добро пожаловать. In Tatar pronounced as Rahim itegiz, Rahim itegiz, and means welcome. Let's greeting each other in Russian Здравствуйте. Здравствуйте. In Tatar İsen misiniz? İsen misiniz? It means hello. You can say in Russian Привет. Привет. In Tatar Selam. Selam. It means hi. Let's know what's going on with our fellow. In Russian Как дела? Как дела? In Tatar Халерничек. Халерничек. It means what's up. And let's answer it in Russian Отлично, хорошо, неплохо, плохо. In Tatar Эйбет, яхшы, ярысы, начар. It means great, good, not bad, bad. If you enjoyed this them and you want to know more phrases in Russian and Tatar, please subscribe and you can ask question in the comment section. Пока. Sağ ol. Bye.